In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Figma design with a client. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your client access to the right file, choose the right permissions, and send a clean, professional invite without any confusion. Start by opening the specific design file you want to share. Make sure you're inside the file itself, not just the project overview. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your canvas, layers, and the top toolbar with options like Move, Frame, and Prototype. If your file includes multiple pages or flows, it helps to quickly verify you're on the correct page so your client lands in the intended context. Look to the top right corner of the Figma window and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where all access is managed. Think of this panel as your control center for who can see or edit the file. If you've shared before, you may see existing collaborators listed here. In the field that appears, type your client's email address. If you're sharing with more than one person on their team, you can paste multiple email addresses separated by commas. Keep it tidy and double-check spelling so the invite lands in the right inbox. You can usually include a short note to provide context, like what's ready for review or where you want feedback. This little message can save you a lot of back and forth later. Next, choose the permission level. For most client reviews, Can View is the safest and most appropriate option. Viewers can open the file, explore frames and prototypes, and leave comments without altering your design. If your client truly needs to make changes directly in the file, you can switch to Can Edit, but be intentional with this choice to protect your source of truth. If your team settings allow it, viewers can still comment, which is perfect for gathering feedback while keeping the design stable. When everything looks good, click Invite. Figma will send an email to your client and add them to the file's share list. If you need to adjust permissions later, reopen the share panel and update or remove access at any time. If your client says they can't open the file, ask them to log in with the exact email you used and check their spam folder for the invite. That's it. You've shared your Figma design with a client in a clean, controlled way that sets the stage for focused feedback and smooth collaboration.